Hello there YouTube, doing another video on my Taurus PT111 G2, whereas I have the updated version, the G2C. Yes, this gun is safety check. I recently purchased a 32 round extended magazine from Promag, and I've read some issues with reliability on this magazine, and I heard it was due mainly to the spring. I did purchase a Glock 33 round spring from Wolf to help with that reliability. This magazine already comes with a mag sleeve from ProMag. And you know, it fits really good and it feels really nice, but it is ugly to me. I already 3D print magazine sleeves for the Metgar 18 round and also the Sigsar 15 round magazines. I decided to make some for these as well. And let me go ahead and grab it here. Fits right on there just like the ProMag version. Fits right into the gun, and there you go. A lot prettier to me, not perfect. I made a little stippling on the side to kind of match the lower receiver of the pistol here. I put a Taurus logo on the back of this one, and no, these are not for sale with the Taurus logo due to copyright infringement. But I do make other logos. I currently have no logo. There is the 9mm variant and also a G2. And I consider these sleeves as version 2, as I currently sell version 1 with no stippling on the side. And it was a little more squarish on the edges here, where this one's a little more rounded. It fits the gun perfect. So both of these currently are for sale. The version 2 will make the version 1 obsolete once I'm sold out of these. I may even have a sale on these here soon. But I'll leave the link to eBay in the video description below if you want to go and purchase some of these. Like I said, the magazine already comes with one. But the difference is, well, you can see the difference. I mean, this one's nice. It feels nice. It's just the vertical lines there doesn't do anything for me. And right now these sleeves sell, I think, for around $7 shipped to your house. So they're not very expensive. But if you want your gun to look better and also have an option for a logo on the back, go check one out. All right, thanks guys. Have a good day.